Alright guys, what we're doing today is we're going to put this extension on the fan so we have better airflow in this room. And when I get further along, I'll put y'all back in here. Be back in a few. Light on. Alright, green with tracer. Oh, perfect. And these lights are nice and handy. Harbor Freight has them. Oh. Blue and red. Okay. And then this is black and black. Okay. Blue and red. So that's the only two that don't match. The blue and red go together. Everything else black and black, white and white, green with green. Okay, now. You can't see that. Probably. Okay, now that we have it down, I gotta disassemble the bar, and then I probably have to change the bushing on it, but I'll show y'all that when I get to that point. Alright guys, we got the thing finally modified. I got the other post on there. It was a little bit challenging because they weren't compatible, so I had to make one work off another one. So got it up there, all I gotta do is wire it, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright, we're going. Alright, now, the freaking test. All tests. Here we go, guys. Fixing to find out if it works good. Huh? Spin. It's spinning right there. Spinning clockwise. Oh, that's fine. It's counter. Okay, that's fine. Still on counter, that's good.
Is the whole thing supposed to spin them?
Well, it's good.